YouTube. I haven't done an update. I also haven't been working on this. I did put it on some skates and moved it around to where I could work on this side. A lot easier than trying to go in between, but I pushed it towards the garage door a little more. But I bought a laser. I think I said it in another video, from Amazon. They come with a stand. The laser, obviously, it's like 30-40 bucks. Cheap laser, but it's self-leveling. So I got it set up. It's level, square. The truck's level, front to back, the way I got it sitting. So I know that line to that laser, it's straight. So it matches from the hood, which obviously not. It's wide, shorter, but from the edge of that hood straight all the way back, it's straight. That all lines up. Just that cow, I don't know, I guess it's just me. When I see trucks done this body style 67 to 72, I always see the mismatch, the hood, the door. It really don't make that big of a difference to probably anybody, but to me, I got time to fix it, so I'm gonna fix it and make it straight. Which I had said it in another video. This side didn't fit very good, but the other side fits, bolts up perfectly. Nothing. It fits. Looks like it's supposed to. But I'm gonna sand on this a little bit, get it looking right, and yeah, let me know what y'all think. Alright, we're moving along on it. That drum's about at the end of its life, so I'm gonna have to give my Bondo Buster some 60 grit and just knock it all down. Hopefully run into an issue. The air pressure's done dropped. Yep, so I'm gonna have to go figure out what's going on with my compressor, which it's outside. So let me go see what's going on with it.